Good afternoon. Am I audible? Satvik, am I audible? Anjana, am I audible? Okay, thank you. We discussed about the IP address. What is the IP address? Already discussed. IP address is basically the binary version of the telephone number. So before starting our IP address calculation detail, we just know about telephony number system. And after the telephony number system, we discuss uh, IP address. So one part already done yesterday and before yesterday. In this regard, we just how to comparison between normal telephone number and your IP address. So in this case, one question already we solve out, and hope all are very good give the answer in yesterday. Now the remaining part today we go ahead. Okay. So these questions already discussed yesterday. In this regard, I am very thankful all of you and very positively regarding for you all and happy to for all of you because easily all are identify and calculate answer of these questions. This IP address basically given on the screen. You easily find out what is the network ID, what is the broadcast ID, IP range and number of hosts. So first three answer already given all of you. Now I want to give the answer of number of hosts. For in this case, what is the number of hosts? Because how to calculate 2 की power total 32 bits of the binary minus 25, this is a fixed part, and minus 2, so that means ki 2 की power 7 minus 2, that means ki 128 minus 2, that means ki 126. Okay, so this is the already calculation done yesterday, and further part we go ahead. So I just repeat here how to sort out this questions answer. This IP address divided in the 4 separate group, a fixed group and customer group. So according to the questions, 8-bit with different group here, right? And as per /25, easily we write here explanation. The last group, this is a 65. Just write 8-bit of the binary form, and accordingly to we find out the network ID. So this is the network ID. What is the network ID? That is /0 as .0 in the last, and number of IP 1 to 22. Now today we discuss what is the subnet mask. So meaning of the mask. When IP address is starting, earlier there nobody know in upcoming future every device is connected to the internet. That means every device is requirement of IP address. It is a very today's situation is very high. A lot of IP address needed, but starting time nobody know this time will be come in the future. IPv4 is not sufficient and required the new IP address. Anyway, first we go IPv4. So when starting the IP address, earlier starting of IP address development is different location, but fully utilization of this IP address by the USA. So US initially their engineer for the easy understand and use of this IP address. So he is divided in IP address in the 4 separate groups. This is the known as class. This classification US engineer earlier time when IP address was developed, that time they will be discussed. So this is the class A, class B, class C, class D, and class C. when IP starting by the USA, so that they divided in IP address in 4 separate groups and 5 last one more group P. So this they as per your books, if you are find out yeah, any your college, if they give the information yeah reading material, so definitely they all are in a study point of study they will be must be discussed class A, B, C, and D. Okay, this is nothing very simple. This is nothing, and hopefully after my this next 5-minute class, you are easily understand what is the meaning of class A, B, C, D. Okay. So earlier, when starting the IP address for easily distribution across the world, so US they divided in the class A, B, C, D, and D, and they just told me कि every uh, IP address class A will be under come which category if class A means if starting, don't go to the book, don't go to the technical more deep knowledge, just we roughly understand my language to easily identify which IP address you can say class A, B, C, D. Okay. So if start you just suppose I give the some IP address and I ask to it which IP is class A IP, which IP is the class B. So you just keep in the mind any IP come category in the class IP A if starting is 0 to 126. Number one, and not only it is and /8. All IP we come in the class A IP if the starting bit will be starting digit will be belonging to 0 to 126 and /8. Already discussed earlier session. The IP address will be complete if writing slash either class ABC. So class nahi, class just /8 in the today time forward slash and some digit is most important because this 8 digit. What is 8 digit? This is the fixed part from left hand side to right hand side. So basically A, B, C, D is known as mask. This is known as mask. Okay, this is known as mask. Subnet mask, how I just discussed later here. First, the mask means class A, B, C, D. Okay. So earlier starting of IP address, only class A, B, C, D. As per US engineer, they will be easily specified which IP is known as class A. Class A. That means कि all IP address which follow above this 2 points. First point 0 to 126 and second is the /8. Class B IP. Which IP is the class B? Class B means if belonging to 127 to 191, 191 and /16. All IP address, if writing some IP address 10 dot something like, so their starting digit will be belonging to 127 to 191. Easily identify these all IP belong to the class B and /16 is also mandatory. No, no separate. Both combinedly follow, then will be class. Then further next 192 to 223 and /24. This is the class C. And class D is first 3 class will be distributed across the world. But D, as per US, D is not given any devices. This is a special purpose. This is a reserve. You can say a special purpose, not given to any customer. Okay. And or the E, this is also known as multi-cast. And upcoming last IP address, that time they never think the upcoming future is IoT, Internet of Things. They never imagine that time when starting up the IP address. So they just only say is the for future use. That future never come. because today too much high IP address required, or definitely IPv4 migration in now continuous under progress for IPv6. Okay, so very simple is that, very simple definition. What is the class A, B, C, D on your screen? Here I write some question, then it is easy to identify what I ask, what I give information to you. Here I give some options for you. 10.0.0.5 2/16. Option B, 129.15.16.16/16. C is the 10.10.10.5 2/24. Option D is the 10.10.10.2/8. Okay, and option E, one more option for here, 196.5.4.3/24. Okay, I give the some answer for all of you, some options for all of you. Help of this option, we are easily identify what is the meaning of the class ABC. I ask from all of you, please option A, as per here given my information, which class of IP, please write in the check box. मैंने अभी तक जो आपको सूचना दी है उसके आधार पे मुझे ये बताएं कि जो ऑप्शन ए है वो किस क्लास में आएगा, क्लास ए, क्लास बी, क्लास सी। क्लास ए आईपी कौन से क्लास में आएगा एज पर इंफॉर्मेशन माई गिवन? सतीश कुमार ए, ओके। रिमेनिंग all are saying the class A. Sanjana, you are also saying the class A. Saik Samir also. What is the meaning of the class A? Meaning of the class A is very simple. IP address, this is a starting bit. Okay, as per our given information, this is the starting bit. Definitely 0 belonging to 126. Okay, so that is follow, no problem. But this is the not follow this. So this is the not class A IP. Again I repeat. Class A means both are following, otherwise not. They classless. IP is valid because all are belonging to 0 to 255, already discussed, no problem. IP is valid IP, but as per US, as per our books, they are not belonging to this class. So this not belonging to any class. For class A, definitely both are follow. So A is not any class. You can say this is the classless IP. ये किसी भी कैटेगरी में नहीं आएगा. It not come any category. Okay. So now again give the answer out of 5 option A, B, C, D. Which option, which IP address belonging to class A? Please again try. Option A is not class A IP because only one option is follow. Okay. D, you are saying class A. My question for the class A. Yes, Satvik Dori, yes, yes. Now very nice. Yes. Now all are getting my point. Very nice. Definitely. This is the class A IP because this follow those terms. Okay. Other IP is definitely IP is valid, but they not belonging to as per our knowledge, as per given the option US base. Okay. Now please give the answer. Any which IP, which option is the belonging to the class B IP? Class B IP. Yes. Okay, very nice. All are getting my point. Very nice. And which option is the belonging to the class C IP? Class C IP. Any option is there that belong to the class C IP? Satvik, option E, very nice, very nice. Okay. So hopefully कि आप from today onward you are not anyone confused. आप confused नहीं होंगे आज के बाद में, ठीक है? Okay. But when अच्छा, just one more thing. In out of ABC, because D and E not given, it is the but distributed IP in the world by the USA, ABC. Okay. So in this case, which IP address, which category of IP belonging maximum number of customer in which IP possible? Class A, B, C. Maximum number of customer in which IP possible? सौरभ क्लास ये आपने यस ये ओके बिल्कुल श्योर बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ हॉर्स नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर हाउ टू कैलकुलेट 2 की पावर फिक्स पार्ट 32 माइनस class A IP had the maximum minimum fixed part, that is maximum customer part minus 2. So maximum number of IP is possible in the class A IP. Okay, no doubt. Okay. Are you getting my point, all of you? Sanjana? All are given the answer. Sanjana, your answer is just waiting now. Are you getting maximum number of customer in a class A? Why? Because this is the minimum number of fixed IP. Okay, definitely. And first and okay. When IP address distributed in the world, America, USA, class A IP reserved for their location. Class B reserved for some Asia Pacific country, and class C very rare location. So all are you are all are aware about in the world the maximum internet user in the world is China and India. Okay, so India and China, they have the class B IP and number of user, maximum number of user in this two country. So it is not possible. Don't worry, don't worry. Don't worry, you can again listen to my recording. If your voice is breaking my voice, no problem. Okay. Okay, Sanjana, that's okay. You can message in the open, not direct. So because what I give the answer to remaining participant also able to understand why I give the answer for him. Don't worry, no go ahead. But India is a very excellent country like I and you. We are very expert. I have minimum opportunity, but maximum possible output possible from our side. Okay. So this quality of India, out of this, just make classless IP developed by the India and China. Classless IP is developed by the India and China people. Okay. They not belonging to this category. So because such types of classless IP is not available in the world, but Indian and Chinese people, Chinese engineer, you utilize of this new types of category. So this is a mask, just check known as subnet mask. So subnet mask is nothing. Earlier only known as the mask, but after later time and till time, this subnet mask. I just go to my computer. This is my real computer. This is my computer IP internet. Just go to the network sharing center. Change adapter setting option. Right click and go to the properties. Yes. And this is IP. This is my real computer. When my computer put here, I just here IP address, you can see here 3 options. First option is the IP address. This is IP address, suppose 10.10.10.1, yeah, 10.4. And same manner subnet mask. So subnet mask is the mask. This is mandatory because here in my case, this is 255. Okay, this is my subnet mask. So why IP address in when I calculate, so you definitely /16/8. Okay, but in my computer, because computer no aware about forward slash option, he aware about only binary system. So next line we here write some information. Help of this information, my computer easily identify this IP address, how many bits are fixed from left hand side to right hand side. This is a subnet mask. Mask is nothing. A mask is a subnet mask. In general term, in the today, both are the same. Mask basically ABCD only, but today all types of IP are used in our field. It may be ABCD, it not may be ABCD. Classless also. Okay. So all are come in the same one line, this subnet mask. So my computer, if I write in the first line IP address, so how to my computer know see how many bits are the fixed in the subnet mask in the my IP address, because computer can't understand /24, can't understand 8. So for sort out of this issue, we just help of the here I just also explain again one. Okay. How to calculate subnet mask? Okay. So again, I repeat my language in here, help of PPT also. Subnet mask, so very simple manner, IP address for the human understanding, notation by the dotted decimal, definitely 192.168.1.1/24, because we never write IP address in the binary form, but actually these all are the binary form. So here we can easy to understand how many bits are the network bit. That means the fixed bit. From left hand side to 24 bits are the fixed. Okay. And number of the customer bit, total 32 bit. That okay. It aware now all of you. But a computer like other device only understand the binary bit. For the sort out the problem, sort out by the subnet mask. So that is mask. So by above case, subnet mask, we just put all fixed bits are one from left hand side to right hand side, all fixed bits are one, and computer we just write in the decimal form, but computer just convert in the binary form and counting from left hand side to right hand side. This is the one, and ideally identify key in above IP how what IP will be fixed. In my case here, if you write some IP, so here I just write anything. So just my computer convert this subnet line in the binary form and easily identify in this above IP how many bits are the fixed bit. So this is cut out by here in my case in /24. Suppose first we go. Suppose one IP address 192.168.5.4/24. I want to subnet calculation for the this computer this IP address. So this is 111. Writing here up 111.118, 111.118, 111.118, and all remaining part are the 0. But when we write in the our form, we just put here 255.255.255.0. So this is the subnet mask of this IP address. Okay. Subnet mask never become 0, because what purpose of subnet? For computer easily understand, any smart device easily understand how many bits are the fixed from left hand side to right hand side. So you can say how many network bits. Help of the subnet mask. Okay. Again, if are all getting my point, so please write down what is the subnet mask of this question 10.10.1.2. Please write in the chat box. Yes, okay. अगर /16 हो जाए तो इस केस में सबनेट मास्क क्या होगा? वेरी नाइस शेख समीर, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. Okay, all are my getting point. Very nice. It is a very important question for the competition purpose, because in the competition UPSC examination. So such types of given option on your ABCD and asked to be which subnet is not possible. So you convert this all decimal in the binary decimal in the binary. If there become any zero, so that will not possible. अगर zero आ गया तो होगा ही नहीं. Okay. So now again come back. Help of the PPT. In my question, this is my question. So in this question, what is the subnet marks for this? All four already calculate. So subnet mask again here, right? This is the fixed bit. So as per my given suggestion, so this 8 bit from left hand side to right hand side, all fixed bits are 1. Okay, and all remaining bits are the 0. In this case, if you want to go for the calculation of the subnet mask, so as per our discussion, all fixed bit make 1 and remaining part are the 0. So my this question, just we write down all fixed part here is plain here. So this fixed part you can make 1. So subnet mask for this 255, 255, 255 and sort out of this 8 group solution 128. So this is the subnet mask. Okay, so hopefully IP address is nothing. Simply it is the comparison of the telephone number. The new, you can say the modern, the new telephone number is known as the IP address. In IP address, similarly, like telephone, we can easily IP network ID, broadcast ID, IP range, and subnet mask. So if anybody asks you why subnet mask required, because help of the subnet mask required, our computer या any smart devices easily identify, easily to know कि how many bits are the fixed bit, या how many bits are the network bit. Okay. So one more question and then the session is today over, and tomorrow we go ahead for the practical session again. So just question for all of you, 10.10.10.5 and slash suppose 30. Okay. So request to all of you, please calculate what is the subnet mask. Give the answer, and now session then over for today. As per our discussion, how to calculate subnet mask. Samir, I think again, no. Again try subnet mask from left hand side to right hand side. 30 bits are 1. Then you solve. This is the all 8 bits are 1. Definitely 255. Very nice. Saurav is very good answer. Next 8 bits also fixed. Definitely 255. And next is 255. And last from left hand side to out of 8 bits, 6 bits are 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and remaining part of 0. When shout out this, solve this 1 or 3 minus, this is a 252. Saurav answer is very nice. Thanks, Samir. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? समझ में आया आपको? Yeah. Okay. So this is the till time your theory part. I will share one packet tracer simulator in your group. Kindly download and install. So during practical session, theory session and combine and go ahead. Okay. Is tomorrow possible? Are you taking the class same time 4:30? Yes or no? All are please there tomorrow 4:30 for half hour. Yes or no? Give the I share in the okay. Okay, I sharing. Thank you. Tomorrow session I will message in the group. If you are all comfortable, join. Otherwise Monday. Okay. 3 give the answer yes. Okay. Okay. So tomorrow again for 30 minutes we all join here, and the same 44:30. Okay. Thank you for today.